Welcome back. Nuve witnessed a tense situation on the poll day. There was clash between the supporters of Miki Pacheco and Alexio Sequeira. GVP Supremo Miki alleged that the polling agent was misguiding the voters on the EVM. He also accused police of being biased. Congress candidate Alexio Sequeira refused to comment on the issue.
I am telling you, you can only have a round. You can't wait here. I'm asking percentage. I'm just asking a percentage. What is the percentage?
570.
Nuve was tense on the poll day afternoon. Miki Pacheco and Alexio's supporters clashed near a polling booth. Later, when Miki Pacheco entered the polling booth to inquire about the voters' turnout, the BLO flung the file out of the window. Miki alleged that the polling agent was misguiding the voters on EVM. He also accused police of being mere spectators when such activities were going on inside the booth. Police officials ordered Miki to leave the booth.
Tense kind of na situation tense apa kita diupa ka kose desku diupa na no am dina dusre ko diupa shokna no file ka donlan na udo
Poil button mare
and presiding officer hato BLO hato dera रावता आणि police बाहेर राहते ते बाहेर रावता चांगला complaint पासून केल्या रे बाहेर रावता ते आय complaint केले officially complaint केले बाबा BLO हातो पोल सांगता पोल बटन स्टार्ट करू मार आणि एअर माग हुंतो बटन मार पोल स्टार्ट करपा पोल बटन मार आणि सांगिला मशीन स्टार्ट करपा म्हणटा ते मशीन स्टार्ट करपा पोल बटन मारता आय कंप्लेंट केले पुलिस आहे दोड्या पान पासून आहे पुलिस but this is the henge thode henge police officer बाहेर आहे.
We tried to inquire more on the incident with Alex Sequeira, but he refused to comment. Our reporter in Nuve, Samir Bhatt.
And now news from sports. Petroleum Sports Promotion Board have drawn level with Railways in the Fomentos Chess Nationals on at Miramar in the penultimate round. Friday's leaders Railways fell behind after Saturday's round. Over in the women's section, Airport Authority of India and Air India are joint leaders with 10 points after 7 rounds. Both the open and women's categories are set for an exciting finale on Sunday.
After the end of the 8th round in the open section, Railway Sports Promotion Board A team and Petroleum Sports Promotion Board are in lead with 14 points. Maharashtra A team and Air India are in second position with 12 points. Yesterday's leaders Railways A had to settle for a draw with Tamil Nadu B. Team Railways A managed only a point in their round today. India's number 2 Sasi Karan was held to a draw, or else PSPB would have had a perfect 4 points from their round. Have a look at Sasi Karan was clearly distraught at the draw, or else PSPB would have had a perfect 4. In the women's section, Airports Authority of India and Air India are in joint lead with 10 points from 7 rounds. They are followed by Petroleum Sports Promotion Board with 8 points. Both the open and women's categories are set for an exciting finale on Sunday in the final round. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar from Panji.
Indian hockey team once again qualified for the Olympics after winning their qualification round quite comfortably. While this win would definitely serve as a revival for the national sport in the country, fans too are turning their attention back towards hockey. Prudent caught up with a few hockey players in Goa to know their sentiments with India making it back to the Olympics. Interestingly, people are also keenly watching the World Series hockey which is currently on in the country.
Must have watched the hockey road to the Olympics. How many of you all watched it?
Yes.
All okay, how much watched that?
Yes, we watched it.
Okay.
We watched it.
Okay.
Didn't qualify for the last Olympics, so they made it this year.
After 8 years we are qualifying, so it's a proud feeling for us, and I know we'll do good in Olympics and we'll bring a medal for sure.
We have played with most of the players who have represented India and right now, so it was a great pleasure to see players who have played with us and performing well at that level, and we hope India doing well at the Olympics and bringing us medal back.
I didn't watch the matches. I had gone for a selection for India.
So, term is at a great victory because the teams which participated were not of high caliber. Of course, we deserve to win, and if we cannot beat such low ranked teams, then but anyway, we have won it. That's it.
India played well. They are coming up, and I hope they do well. They have played really fast hockey this qualifying, and I wish them all the best.
Have to play hard. and I wish them all the best.
IPL is there, the cricket is being watched, something similar to that in the hockey league has started. So are you going to be watching that?
Yes, sure.
Yeah, we will be watching it, and it's good to see many sponsors coming in for the hockey. It's a good thing for us. Not directly, but indirectly, it will benefit us, like through the associations and all that. So it's a good thing for hockey that the Super League is happening.
Do you all think something like this for the women's hockey is required, and what can be done to do it?
So women should get more exposure compared to like men's team they're getting. So like a little more attention for the women's team would do better for the team.
They should conduct more for women's also. Yeah, more tournaments, better the improvement in hockey. There'll be more players, people liking hockey. Since now there's more people liking cricket. People will start liking hockey now since cricket also is going down these days. And hockey coming up. Yeah.
Looking forward to playing in such a league if it happens in the country. Will you all be looking forward to playing in such a league?
Yeah.
Felt bad because we don't have AstroTurf in Goa. That is
it's
the
a high
main
time, very high. It's like we require AstroTurf here in Goa.
Because also our boys would be there playing if we had a turf somewhere 20 years ago.
When we go perform outside, it becomes a very big difference between our performance level and theirs, because we performing on grass and then suddenly going on AstroTurf becomes difficult. Opportunity to work on AstroTurf, we can say our juniors will surely make it to such kind of teams, on even for India one day.
Being a vice captain of the senior nationals, which went to Bhopal, there's one thing what is lacking is that we do not have an AstroTurf ground. All the players in Goa have got very good skills, to tell you, but when we talk in the terms of facilities in Goa, especially the AstroTurf ground, we are much behind.
So the feeling here is very mutual. Everybody wants an AstroTurf in Goa. There are a lot of skilled players, Goans who've stayed in Bombay, who've always made it to the national team. A lot of talented players over here, hoping to probably play in the Super League or even for the national side. With video journalist Omkar Falari, this is sports reporter Nikhil Pereira. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get the latest news as and when it happens. Meet us on Facebook as well at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.